Okay, so it's a really exciting time to do a machine learning specialization because we see machine learning everywhere in our everyday lives. So for example, Carlos is always on my case that I'm on my phone. So I turn on my phone and there are a lot of smart applications on here, and there are things that are personalized to me as a user.
And they're all using machine learning at their core, which is exciting. Today, every time you go to a website, most likely there's a machine learning algorithm behind the scenes analyzing the data, analyzing the interactions, and really changing your experience using machine learning. And we're seeing that in a wide range of settings.
Yeah, so not just on my phone. One device that Carlos loves is this thing.
It's a wearable device that tracks my activity, analyzes my sleep, analyzes my exercise routines, captures what I'm doing, and really takes that data, understands it, and helps me look at how my health is evolving over time, which is pretty cool.
So that's why it's exciting to think about machine learning now. But of course, there's a lot more that machine learning has the possibility of doing in our lives.
You can see the world changing with self-driving cars, with personalized medicine, with Internet of Things. We're embedding sensors everywhere, with smart systems everywhere. And so in this specialization, you're going to learn the fundamentals to do all of these things. In fact, after this specialization, you'll be future-ready, future-proof.
Future-proof. You'll be
future.
futurized.
You'll be the future of machine learning.
You are the future.
No.
And that is cool.
And that is cool. And in fact, you are the future because we recorded this in the past. So it's actually true. And that is also cool.
Clearly, Carlos is still watching and reading, mainly watching too much sci-fi.
Yeah. Did you see
You are in the future.
Did you see the latest season of Doctor Who? It's pretty cool. Anyway.
On that note, this is cool.
And it's going to be a really cool
You're supposed to say it is cool.
It is cool. And it's going to be a really cool specialization. And let's get started.